Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best flocked Christmas trees that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the National Tree Company 6-foot black tinsel tree with metal stand. The first bus flat Christmas tree in the lease is from National Tree Company. With the heights of up to 6 feet tall and 20 inches diameter, this Christmas tree has up to 520 branch tips, which allows this tree to be perfect use for Christmas decoration. Small world, it is also constructed with a metal stand that allows this tree to stand very strongly no matter how much you decorate or put stuff on it. What's also special about this flocked Christmas tree from National Tree Company is that it has the safety fire-resistant and none-alleged neck features, so you can be happy staying around his Christmas tree without having to worry, even if you have sensitive skin. Last but not least, this Christmas tree can be used to display indoors or covered outdoors with no concern about any quality problems. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Best Choice Products SKY 49906 feet Artificial Full Christmas Tree Holiday Decoration. Moving on to the top 9s, here we have another 6 feet artificial flocked Christmas tree from the leading brand called Best Choice Products. One of the most special things about this Christmas tree is that it has the unique black color that can immediately draw the eyes of anyone to look at it. Moreover, it has up to 1477 branch tips, which allowed the tree to have a full appearance and a lot of space to hang Christmas ornaments. All the materials that has been used to construct this Christmas tree is both non-flammable and non-allergenic, so it's perfect for the environment and the users. Also, with this tree, you do not have to worry about any setup, because it is designed to be user-friendly, that all you have to do is just to attach the tree with the foldable stand. More interestingly, Best Choice Products also offer a compatible storage bags that you can use to store the tree when you're not using it, so it will always remain new for next year's use. At number 3, we have the StillCool 4 feet, 120 centimeters artificial Christmas tree Christmas party home decoration. For anyone who is looking for a small-size Christmas tree, this product on the top 7th is definitely your option. With the sign measure at around 2 feet, this tree is made of high-quality PVC and wire that allow it to stay durably for home or room decoration. Because StillCool comes with this cute little size, it allows this product to be highly affordable compared to the other product in the market. Despite its affordability, StillCool also offers more choices for customers to choose, since their Christmas tree comes in many different colors, from green, black, red to gold and more. It would depend on what your ideal Christmas tree would look like. Anyhow, StillCool will always remain one of the best options. At number 2, we have the NIETING Christmas Tree, 5 feet collapsible pop-up gold-colored tinsel Christmas tree. The best flocked Christmas tree in the list, which is the product from NIETING. What makes this flocked Christmas tree super special is that it looks super premium in gold color. That makes it very outstanding compared to any transitional Christmas tree in the market. Another great point about this is that it uses high-quality steel and polypropylene to construct the supporting stands, so it allows this tree to be able to hold heavy items that you are going to put on decorate this tree. Moreover, NIETING is built to last long. It even comes in with a sturdy gift box that you can use to store the tree to use for next year's Christmas. Because it has the slim size, NIETING is ideal to use at any small or crowded place, and it won't take up any space. Such features are the obvious point of why this 5 feet Christmas tree is the best product you shouldn't miss. And finally, at number 1, we have the National Tree Company North Valley Black Spruce Tree, 4.5. Here at the top 4th, we have another highly recommended Christmas tree from National Tree Company again. As high quality as the previous product from this brand, this number 4 here in the list is a bit the friend, because this one comes in smaller size, which is only about 4.5 feet tall. Vista Elegant Black Calla Lilies tree features up to 398 branch tips, which allowed tree to look very lively and perfect for Christmas decoration. What's also great about this tree is that it's less than is made with sturdy and most durable metal, making the tree to last longer for the next year decoration. In case you are concerned about setting this tree up, you do not have to. It comes with a package that include reusable storage cotton and the useful assembly instructions, so you can just easily follow it to set up the tree. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.